Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to Fenny for the Soul for a special story this time on an olive Ridley turtle called Mary. Now, Mary was washed ashore to the Mobor beach in South Goa about a fortnight ago, this June. Mary is handicapped. She doesn't have her entire left side, meaning no left hand, no left leg, meaning no left flipper, no left leg. So she could not fight the strong waves and got washed ashore. And luckily for her, the excellent veterinary surgeons from the Reef Watch NGO, the lifesavers from Drishti Marine Company, the Goa Forest Department, and Terra Conscious, the marine NGO, all joined hands and looked after her. A group of volunteers which includes my friends and I, were also privileged to feed her on a daily basis for a good 15 days. So on June the 20th, Sunday, the Drishti Marine Lifesavers attempted to put her back into the ocean, so to release her. So they went up to chest high water and, released her. But, the waves were too strong and she promptly came back. She was with the Drishti Marine Lifesavers for another whole week. And today, that is 27th of June, Sunday, in the morning, I had gone there to feed her. And after the feeding, the lifesavers took a call and they used the jet ski, which was a super idea. And two lifesavers could take Mary beyond the breaker line, beyond the big waves, and release her into the ocean. So we are hoping that Mary has met her buddies who must have missed her and is back in her ocean home. So I must also add that Mary was not the only olive Ridley turtle that came onto the Mobor beach. There were olive Ridleys coming that got washed ashore onto the Kolwa beach and the Arosim beach in South Goa, not to forget the Morjim beach in North Goa, where there were as many as 3 turtles. So our Benolim Sea Swimming Club, we have a small sea swimming club, and we could give back to the ocean really by feeding these turtles. So my friend Ira Prem and our family fed the turtle at the Kolwa beach, and my other sea swimming friend Sandra D'Souza and Porus Mulan fed the turtle at the Arosim beach. And of course in Mobor you had Roy Barreto, who is a resident of Mobor, who did an excellent job on Mobor beach. So enjoy the video.
So my wife is feeding this turtle. Let's see if it eats. It's a sardine that we are feeding. Yeah, it is eating the sardine, the giant turtle. Now let me see if I have a close-up. Yeah, Vishal is giving a third sardine. Ah, nice. That's Vishal. Vijay, now kita? Sunil. So this is Sunil and Vishal who are the lifesavers at Mobor beach. This is their lifeguard station, and this is the water tank that has been created for our wonderful turtle. Today it's bright and sunny, so actually you can see some tourists on the beach also. But of course we don't want the tourists to come near the turtle at all. Good morning. So this is our day 6 actually of feeding these lovely turtles at Mobor beach. I come with my friends Shubhangi and Anurag, and now first time I think Shubhangi is going to feed a turtle, so I have told them what to do. This is our big turtle, the one with only one fin. I don't know what to call her. Mary sounds a good name. There. Let's see if it takes this fish.
Yeah. Lido, huh? Le Lido, le? Yeah, you can. This one. Go, give it, come on. Keep it more down, Sophia. Very nice.
Yeah, with the second turtle, we are walking into the ocean. I'm going with these two lifesavers, lifeguards, the Drishti Marine Company. There, trying to put it in the water. It's trying to swim. There, it's come here. Okay, Bhitar road park jai. The verdict is that it's swimming away. Yeah, it's swimming away according to lifeguards. Yeah, it's gone. It's swum away. Beautiful. So there, it's swimming away. So it's got both its fins, both its legs. It's a small turtle. It's gone into the sea. Wonderful, wonderful. Super. So we were very lucky to to have a small hand in feeding it fish for the last few days, and very grateful to Drishti Marine, Reef Watch, Goa Forest Department for this opportunity, and also Terra Conscious. Lovely, lovely. This is the monsoon sites at the Mogor Beach. All of us here, lifeguards. That's the lifeguard cabin. A couple of my friends came with me today, and we have released two turtles back into the ocean. So this is so interesting. Like I said, today is the 22nd of June, and this is the second week that we are coming here to feed this turtle whom we are calling Mary. And that's the two lifeguards, Kaushal and Ajay, bringing seawater in that big barrel, in that container, and that water is for the tank, turtle. And this is the lifeguard cabin, and this Savio in the dark blue. Very interesting experience for us. Look at the hard work being put in by the lifesavers. So they are now, the lifesavers have got water from the sea, and they are pouring it into the tank, for our Mary, the turtle with the one fin. Fresh water. There it is. Because they had cleaned the tank. They cleaned the tank this morning. Today is the 22nd of June. They cleaned the tank and they just... she's feeling so much better straight away. She was without water for about 10 minutes. So happy to get the water back. Good morning, good morning. This is Sunday the 27th of June, and a very interesting day because the team, Drishti Marine team, is releasing Mary, the large turtle. This is the whole team. They have a captain called Lahu, and the interesting part today is they are going to use a jet ski, which will a jet ski which will take, I think 2 lifeguards will go with the large turtle, the handicapped turtle with the one fin, on the jet ski, up to the breaker line. The breaker line is where the waves start, waves begin. And then beyond that, it's easier for the turtle to swim. So let's watch that soon. So this is how Mary is being put on that, cloth, and she's going to be held up, I guess, and then taken. Now you can see this. Yeah. Quite interesting, but I am only hoping that they take the jet ski, because if they are going to try taking this Mary the turtle by hand, every chance that she is going to come back like she did last Sunday, because she's not got one fin and one leg on the left. She's only got one right side working. But I think, thank God, they're taking the jet ski, because they were debating it for the longest time, and I'm so happy that they're taking the jet ski. So I'm also going to go into the water up to a point that I can go to film this. That's our friend Roy Barreto, who owns Betty's Place, popular restaurant, and he's from Mobor, very fond of the turtle himself. Look at what he's doing. He's massaging her with sand, before she goes into the sea. How nice. Nice, Roy. So this is what, and this is our lovely Mary. All the best. Do well. So here is the jet ski. How technology can help, really bless all the science and technology that we have, because without this machine, that turtle wouldn't have got the chance. Let us see what happens now very soon. This jet ski has to go up to the breaker line of the waves, and then she can be released into the ocean. Yeah, there she comes. Fantastic this is. We are so lucky to witness this. The big wide ocean, and the Drishti Marine team, taking Mary on the jet ski. There Mary is on the jet ski, sitting behind. That's Savio. Savio is the one who is bare-chested, and the captain is Lau, right in front. Lau is the captain of the Mobor team. So right now it's Lau right in front. It's begun to rain. Anyway, luckily my mobile is covered in plastic. And so it's interestingly Lau, Ajay and Savio. I think Savio is going with Lau into the deep seas. All the best, Mary. All the best. Do well, girl. God help you. We've been feeding Mary for the last fortnight. A lot of us volunteers, and the Reef Watch NGO has been doing great work in looking after the turtle. So also the Goa Forest Department, Drishti Marine and Terra Conscious. There they go. Fantastic. I am also in the water, but look at this. Come on, jet ski, start working. There they go, there they go. There they go, there they go. Savio is behind, holding on to the turtle, and Lau, the captain, is maneuvering the jet ski. Superb. They have to go up to the breaker lines. Let's hope they can. The sea it's high tide, and it's not rough, but it's not quiet either. It's not quiet either. Let me zoom in. There. Can you see the jet ski? Big waves. Now I have water up to my waist already. Anyway, the sea doesn't bother us so much because we are all, thanks to my triathlon, we've been swimming in the sea regularly, so all that has helped. But there are cross currents today. Oh ho! I think they are having some trouble with the big waves. There they go. Wow! Wow! What super maneuvering! What super maneuvering! Yeah. Can you see them on the crest of the wave? Now in the distance. Super. They are really going towards the breaker line, and that will give Mary a big chance, a very good chance to swim back into her ocean home. I can't even see them now. There, you can see them at a distance. I'm raising the mobile phone right on top. Can you see them? On the crest of they're going towards the breaker line. And on the coast, you got, some of the Drishti Marine lifeguard team and our friend Roy Barreto. They're waiting on the coast. That's the lifeguard's cabin. It's been an eventful Sunday for sure. This is Mobile Beach on a Sunday, June 27, and at a distance, let me zoom in. You can see the, I hope you can see the jet ski at a distance, a speck actually. They're going as far as they can, because the further they go, they'll give a chance to Mary. Because the turtle Mary needs no waves. She needs flat water, placid waters to get to swim and go in deep into the ocean. Some scenery for you here. That's Betul Fort at a distance. That lovely hillock-like thing. That land jutting out into the sea. That's where the Sal River comes out into the Arabian Sea. That's lovely Mobile Beach, which is the tip, basically the tip of the southern beaches up to this point. Then it starts with Kola Beach, and it goes further down to Cap de Ram and Agond, the pretty Agond Beach, and Palolem and all of that. Now I have some good footage of Lau and Savio coming back. They have released Mary, hopefully. And they are coming back. They are coming back to the beach, And at a distance, I'll zoom in. You can see them. You can see the two tiny specks there, right in the center of the video. There, the jet ski is coming back. They have to do it very, very slowly. Look at that. There, you can see them. The waves are coming down on you. And it's like almost surfing, I guess, surfboarding, and there, see, they have to really need some expertise to drive this, ride this jet ski. See how they are coming in. Now they started to the left of me, but they are coming way out on the right of me. That's how the tide is, Yeah, you can see them right in the center of my camera, or the frame. Yeah, they are almost reached the shore. There they come. Well, wonderful Drishti Marine heroes who have done a good service to Mary the turtle. by releasing her into the ocean. There. See now, I think Lahu is going to come towards me. I'm going to get a good shot. Savio has got into the water at the far end, and Lahu is now without much weight. He's alone on the ski, jet ski, and they released Mary. Congratulations, guys! And they're coming back. There he's coming back. Super stuff. This is a combined effort. Of course, today led by Drishti Marine, but again, a big thank you to Reef Watch, the veterinary surgeons of Reef Watch, Goa Forest Department, Terra Conscious, the other marine conservation organization, and all the wonderful volunteers who fed Mary all these days. A whole long list. Roy Barreto, who's a local, then Porus, Mulan, my friend, then my family. All of us are very privileged and blessed that we could feed Mary and take care of her. And there the jet ski has come back, and fantastic job done by Captain Lahu and his band of merry men. Fantastic stuff this is. And I must again say, it's the Goan beaches are completely safe, and there are 0 deaths only because of this fantastic lifeguards from Drishti Marine. And we must thank the Goa government and Goa Tourism for having this collaboration with Drishti Marine, continuing this collaboration with Drishti Marine on our Goan beaches. Look at, not only do they save human lives, but they save lives of turtles, dolphins, and our marine friends. Wonderful. So finally they have accomplished that lovely task of taking Mary into the ocean. So this is that wonderful Drishti Marine team at Mobor Beach. From the left it's Ajay, you can show your hand. Ajay, Vishal, Savio, then Lahu, he is the captain of the team, and Satish, their senior manager. He's also come today. Good to meet you, Satish. So congratulations, and देव बरें करो तुमकां सगळ्यांक. आणि एक फोटो दुसऱ्याक एक